It's been about 2 decades to the India growth story, right? The whole consumption thing started in 1990s and started with a top-down approach. So most of the brands got launched in the big metros, most of the businesses got set up in what we call India A. And definitely India A has now reached a level of saturation. So the next level of markets is in the emerging markets in India, in places like Bihar, UP, all of these places. The big factor really is that A, business is shifting, then B, consumer desire and consumer response to newer products and services and new consumption variables is going up dramatically in what we call the emerging markets. As I always keep saying, that what we call the bottom of the pyramid today wants to be top in status. They want to consume products and services which are sexy, which make them feel upgraded in life, which are premium in nature, and which their counterparts in bigger cities want to consume. I think the biggest caveat or the biggest thing to watch out against is that when you go from a larger town perspective, you have this surprise on your face that, oh my God, these consumers want this kind of a lifestyle, they're living, they want this kind of service and product. I think we need to suspend that sense of surprise. We must admit that people in smaller towns, people in the bottom of the pyramid also get the same feed of television. They watch the same lifestyles, and therefore their desires and ambition is probably higher, if not at the same level as what we see in the metros. So this whole approach of strip something down and send it to a small town is not going to work. I think trust is a big variable. By the nature of it, consumers, small town India, are a little skeptical of people coming from outside trying to take their money away. So brands need to build a sense of trust. They need to build a sense of safety. Many of these consumers are first-time consumers of that category. So the desire is really to make a safe choice rather than a differentiated choice. So they would much rather buy things which other people have bought and have found success with, rather than experimenting too much. So building on safety, building on safeness of choice, building on visibility are the key factors of success in these markets.